The 2025 Volkswagen Touareg R eHybrid is Volkswagen's most expensive model, and today we're finding out if this plug-in performance SUV is worth its eye-watering $80,000 price tag. Let's start with the numbers. Under that sculpted hood, you'll find a combination of a 3-liter V6 and an electric motor that together pump out 462 horsepower. That's enough muscle to launch this luxury behemoth from 0 to 62 in just 5.1 seconds. Seriously impressive for something this size. But here's where things get interesting. Despite wearing Volkswagen's prestigious R badge, this Touareg isn't exactly the corner-carving monster you might expect. Sure, it's got all the fancy hardware, air suspension, active anti-roll bars, and various drive modes, but you can't hide 2.5 tons of German engineering. It's more of a straight-line bullet train than a backroad dancer. Speaking of that hybrid system, you can cruise for about 22 miles on pure electric power in the real world. That's, well, not great, especially when rivals like the BMW X550e and Porsche Cayenne eHybrid are pushing closer to 50 miles of electric range. Step inside though, and things start looking up. The interior is pure premium Volkswagen, with a massive 15-inch touchscreen dominating the dashboard. Unlike some recent Volkswagen interfaces that feel like they were designed by tech bros who've never driven a car, this one's actually pretty intuitive. The graphics are crisp, the responses are quick, and you don't need a computer science degree to change the radio station. The cabin itself is seriously spacious. 5 adults can stretch out in comfort, and there's a healthy 655 liters of cargo space in the back, though that's actually less than the standard Touareg, thanks to all those hybrid components taking up room. One complaint? Those touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel. They look cool, but trying to adjust your volume without accidentally activating the lane assist or changing your cruise control speed. That's a level of multitasking that nobody needs during their morning commute. On the road, the Touareg R is incredibly comfortable. The air suspension soaks up bumps like they're not even there, and at highway speeds, it's quieter than a library during finals week. The hybrid system transitions smoothly between electric and gas power, and when you need to overtake, all 462 horses are ready to gallop. But here's the elephant in the room, that price tag. At over 80 grand, you're in serious luxury territory. You could have a BMW X5 or a Porsche Cayenne eHybrid for similar money, both of which offer either better driving dynamics or superior electric range, plus those all-important premium badges. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Touareg R eHybrid is probably the most complete vehicle Volkswagen has ever built. It's fast, comfortable, practical, and loaded with tech. But it's also trying to play in a segment where brand cachet matters, and that Volkswagen badge, as nice as it is, just doesn't carry the same weight as its premium rivals. If you're after a supremely comfortable, tech-laden luxury SUV that can also pin you back in your seat when you floor it, the Touareg R delivers. Just don't expect it to handle like its R badge might suggest, and be prepared for some raised eyebrows when you tell people how much you paid for a Volkswagen. And that's our take on the 2025 Volkswagen Touareg R eHybrid. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about Volkswagen's most expensive model. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.